Are you waiting for me? It's so sunny. Ferrari 296 GTS, 50 mile on the dash. It's Monday. Wednesday night, this car has to have full novitec exhaust system, full paint protection film, caliper from red to blue, decals through the entire vehicle, on a truck, to Monterey, for the Piloto Corsa class, to surprise Eric's father. It's going to Laguna Seca Raceway Thursday morning. Let's make it happen. Alright guys, no sweating, running on almost no sleep, but the job is done. This car came to us on Monday and now it's Thursday, September 18th. We had pretty much 48 hours with the car. What matters now is that this car is about to get picked up and get shipped out of here straight to Laguna Seca Raceway to surprise Mr. Eric's father. One, is a great feeling buying your dad a Ferrari. We did full paint protection film. We designed and applied silver and blue stripes down the car with his number on the door. We also did the wheels from silver to titanium finish. The calipers were red, now they are Ferrari blue. Exhaust from Novitec, of course. 99%, I would say, all the Ferraris that are built here on day-to-day basis are using Novitec parts. Quality product, it's the best product. It's German engineered, it's designed and made in Germany. At the end of the day, you guys are buying 600,000-700,000 plus cars, $1 million. It's important to use the quality product, the right product, do your research, get the job done right. But anyways, we're so happy for you, Eric. Congratulations again. And we did the tinted windows. What else, man? The list is so large. Yes, it's 600. Yes, it has a hybrid motor. It does not matter. It sounds good with the Novitec exhaust system. This car is incredible. We'll put some sound clips as well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, comment. Stay tuned.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of 412 Motorsport. Today we have a beautiful 992 GT3 RS that just came in. We're gonna go right ahead and install this Rift titanium exhaust. As you guys know, these cars come pretty moderate from factory when it comes down to sound. So we're hoping to elevate the sound and experience of this GT3 RS for the customer with this full exhaust system.